Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in PowerPoint. So there are thousands of ways, or even multiple of ways rather, to remove background. But I'm going to teach you here a very fast and very efficient way to do so. So on your blank Canva or your blank PowerPoint presentation, let me just insert a photo first, just for discussion purposes. Of course, to insert any photo, you can do so by opening up your File Explorer, dropping in the photo right there. But I have in here, click on Insert, and then go to Icons. You'll open up these options. You have Icons, Cutout People, Stickers. So this Cutout People is already removed its background. So let's use this one, Images, and I think I'm gonna use a specific photo here. Let me just look for one that is actually good. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Click Insert. And right here, we have it right there. Now let me just minimize it a little bit. Perfectly right here. And with this one, as you can see, you can adjust this as you see fit. You can expand it all the way, but for me, I'm satisfied with this one. So with this, under the picture format, you can see remove background. Simply click on it right now, and you'll see that it will turn into a purple background. So there's two options. You can mark areas to keep or mark areas to remove. I'm gonna go for keep and basically draw the area that you want to keep. So it's gonna be real-time results, so you can see which one you keep. So I'm gonna draw on this one, like so. Perfectly right there. Same goes with that one. Another one right here. Perfectly right there. Now, of course, this part right here, I'm gonna click on it so they will cover it. I think this is perfectly good now. Same goes with that one. A little one with here, just a little bit more, few more right here, and I think this is good enough for me, and simply click upon changes. So easy as that, I have successfully removed the background. Now for discussion purposes, I'm gonna add some more tutorials for you. So I'm gonna go in here, click on Insert, go on Shapes, I'm gonna click this one. Now I'm gonna go all the way to the half point, and then click on right click. There should be an option here that says remove outline. Now if you don't see it on your right click option, you can now simply click on send to back. But with that being said, we should look for the outline. So shape outline right here, click no outline, and with that we have made it pop out more. But we can now also change the color for this one. So for the shape format, again guys, make sure it's on the shape format, not on the picture format. You can change the color like so. I'm gonna go with this one, more neutral. And I think this is good enough. Let me just fit this one all the way to the PowerPoint. Perfect. Now let me add some more. Of course, for this one, if you want to go a little bit more step further, you can go on the gradient right here. For example, you want to go gradient or more gradients right here. But for now, I'm satisfied with what we have. But for this one, for example, you really want to go the extra mile, go for gradient fill, choose the gradient color you want. I'm just gonna stick with what I have here. So I'm gonna go with darker orange there. So one more right here. I think I'm satisfied with this one. And now for the right side, let me just move grandpa a little bit. I'm gonna enter text here. So insert text box. There should be one right here. So place it right there. And with this one, I'm just gonna type in Tutorialboxx. Simple as that. I can now edit the font style, enlarge, edit the color. It's gonna be by my own preference. Again guys, everything here is your own preference. This is just an additional information for you, because the main idea here is gonna be the removing of background. Basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.